Guys, we're gonna check out this little mix reaction video between us live, the Graham Norton show. This is last year, December the 6th. Oh, ooh, yeah, the rhythm sound is so good. I have to squeeze this thing out of my head because I want to hear it good. I don't want to turn the volume too loud. Damn, this sound good. Dude, ear vocals. Damn. The rhythm sound good too. I like the rhythm. That's the do 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 do. Dude, you know what I'm realizing? I wonder if there's gonna be another girl group in our lifetime because the group thing is not really that much in, especially in the Western countries. I know in South Korea you got groups and stuff, and Japan, but like the UK and America and Canada, I don't think they have that much groups again right now, like especially females. I don't think so. It's kind of like a dying thing. So Little Mix is literally one of the biggest girl group still out in the Western countries. Us. Ah. Dude, and they're singing literally live, man. Dude, you guys seem that, well, you guys probably understand, but they're singing live and they sound so freaking amazing. This shit is crazy. You know, some people sing very good on the track, but when they're singing live, they use too much auto tune and they don't sound good. Little Mix sound freaking perfect, bro. Like it does sound like I'm listening to a freaking track, like I'm actually listening to it on iTunes or a YouTube music video or something. It does sound so clean, but they're literally just singing right now. Singing. Yeah, dude, this was a fire.